Hi painters, welcome back. So let's start to do some of the painting of the fruits here. We've just put in a rough drapery. We can certainly refine that later. But without waiting too long, let's put in some of our fruits. I'm going to start with my golden yellow here, maybe mixing it in with some of this red that I have. I'm going to start with the apple in the center because that to me looks like it has the thickest paint, the most layers. So if I start with that, it will end up having the most layers as I go on. It is sort of like an underpainting that we're doing section by section, if you want to think about it that way. But this way, the paint is more likely to be wet as we work on a specific area. And that's kind of nice in this case because the brushstrokes are visible and the paint is thick and it's sort of blended into each other. So we can get the effect that we want. The Impressionist movement was so important for the artist to have the license to leave the brushstrokes very visible on the canvas rather than sort of obliterating them, making it look like a certain surface that they see. And it becomes more about the artist's self-expression.